WCRF exists to improve the cure rates of women with gynecologic cancers. We've been at this for over 30 years. We'll be at this for as long as it takes. You need a research organization like WCRF in order to find the new cures and get them out so that patients can be treated with them. The Women's Cancer Research Foundation has a PhD, Dr. Bram Goldstein, who helps us write new protocols so that if a doctor, for example, had an idea about using a new medication in a certain way, the doctor would sit down with Dr. Goldstein and the rest of our Women's Cancer Research Foundation team. They would design a study to determine if that new medication could work and write a protocol, create data management forms, create statistical analysis forms, actually have the research team do the study itself, collect all the data, collate the data, analyze the data statistically, and with Dr. Goldstein, the gynecologic oncologist will write a final paper that will then be published in a peer-reviewed journal. So that's where Gynecologic Oncology Associates is so critical. Being the busiest gynecologic oncology group on the West Coast, we have a large number of patients, maybe 400 patients a month getting chemotherapy in our offices. That allows us to rapidly treat a large number of patients and then be able to do the analysis to determine if the new medication or new treatment is beneficial. Gynecologic Oncology Associates does have higher cure rates than the national average, and I think part of that clearly is that they're amazing doctors, amazing surgeons, but also they're always looking for the new options, the better ways to treat patients, and that in turn gets reflected in higher cure rates. The older model said basically you had to be a doctor to do this stuff, and it's just not true. I mean, a lot of research is best done by other people. A lot of it is more like accounting work and legal work and contracting work and statistical work. I mean, all those things you do not need a doctor for. In fact, other specialized research teams will do a better job. So it really comes down to you need a gynecologic oncologist for about 2% of the research process. That's kind of our secret sauce that they don't have at other centers. The end goal for WCRF is to be put out of business because all women with gynecologic cancers are cured. You need a research organization like WCRF in order to find the new cures and get them out so that patients can be treated with them.